Hello and welcome to part 3 of my Laudna cosplay build series. So today I'm going to be making the skirt. I'm going to be using this pattern from Reconstructing History. It's a 1950s circle skirt. It's turning out to be a very multifunctional pattern. I am using it for lots of things. And I've already got the first layer of fabric all laid out with the pattern pieces, so now I just have to cut it out and get started. Alright, now that I've cut out the underlayer, I am going to put that together before I cut out the black outer layer, so that it's a little easier to put it all together in a minute. Alright, now that I've got the gray inner skirt put together and the pockets put together, now I can cut out the black fabric. Okay, now that both the inner and outer skirt are put together and all that, I am now going to attach them to each other. Alright, day 2. So first things first, I'm gonna finish up the pockets and then I get to put in the zipper. Alright, so I just remembered that I need to do the gathering stitches up at the waistband before I do the zipper, so I'm going to add those and then I will install the zipper. Alright, now that the zipper is in and the pockets are done, now I need to make the waistband. So I want the waistband to be more sturdy than the black fabric that I have for the rest of the skirt, because that is a cotton gauze and so it's stretchy and it's not gonna do a whole lot. So I'm going to use this black twill, I think. This black fabric that I have in my stash that is a lot more heavy duty, and so it'll be able to hold the weight of the skirt and all that. Alright, now I just need to hand sew on the hook and eye closures onto the back of the waistband, and then I'm going to hang it on my dress form for a couple of days to give the fabric time to stretch out, you know, gravity, before I put the lace on the edge and do some weathering on the ends. It's been a couple of days. I have trimmed the end of the outer layer, so now it is time to put on the lace. So I'm going to be doing insertion lace, which is a historical method, I think Victorian or Edwardian. I'm not a huge, you know, expert. If you want to know more about insertion lace, I highly recommend checking out Bernadette Banner. She is a historical customer and actually knows about these things and has a whole video about it. So I'm going to be attaching this to the fabric of the skirt and then cutting the back of the fabric behind the lace to open it up. Alright, I have finished. I thought I was going to need to do more weathering, but literally just doing the seam ripper was enough, and it looks fantastic, and I am so proud of it. Which means all that's left for me to make now is the blouse, so keep an eye out for that in the coming weeks or months, as I will be making a video on that as well. I'm hoping to have Laudna done for Emerald City Comic Con in August because Robbie Damon's going to be there, and obviously I must meet him in Laudna. So hopefully I will have it done by then, but anyway, until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.